beast was a man first. A human killer in the late 1700s. The dread doctors are trying to get it to remember itself. To remember the man. When that happens, the teenager is gone.
Anybody know how we're supposed to get out of here?
This place is still in lockdown.
It's not just locked.
Yeah, I can feel it too. Oh, what are we supposed to do? Just wait here?
There's a plan B. We've got a guy on the outside in case this happens.
Who?
Mason.
Mason's gonna unlock the lockdown? How's he gonna do that?
He's got the blueprint of the building, and he has the full map of Icon's electrical system. All he has to do is get into the transformer shed behind the building.
Don't worry. Mason knows exactly what he's doing.
Liam, call me back. Dude, I have no idea what to do, and I'm panicking. I'm completely and totally panicking. I mean, I drove around this building like 4 times, and I can't find this transformer shed. Well, actually, that's partially right, because I found where the transformer shed is supposed to be, but it's not a shed anymore. It's a wall, like a very big wall. So, I mean, I tried calling Hayden, and she still isn't here, and I heard alarms go off. Now, I don't know what to do. So, Liam, just call me.
This teenager, Lydia, is the last genetic chimera. A young man or a young woman, maybe even someone you know. A success where Theo and the others were failures.
But we went through the list of genetic chimeras. There's no one else.
There must be one you've missed then. Another way they could have 2 sets of DNA. If you could see the face of this teenager, discover its identity, then your friends would have a fighting chance. The mask can help you see.
What the hell are you doing? Get the door open. I'm trying.
I'm sorry, but time's up.
Came back.
We're getting you out of here, okay?
It's too dangerous.
Lydia, please shut up and let me save your life. You okay?
I'll find my way back.